Hello my dear children, I hope you all are doing fine. Well, today your Priyanka ma'am is going to teach you something interesting. Oh, don't worry, it's not related to your studies. It's regarding art and craft. I know all of you all enjoy doing it, yes or no? So now let's see what we are going to make today. Ta-da! We are going to make a tree. So now let's see what all we require to make a tree. Now to make this, we are going to require an A4 size paper, or else you can use your old drawing book, some bindis, red bindis, pencil, eraser, brown crayon and some Fevicol, and some green colored paper for the leaves. Now to draw the tree, first we have to make the trunk of the tree with two standing lines, like this one standing line and another standing line. So we have how many standing line, children? We have 1 and 2 standing line. And in between we have to write letter V. Yes, how you write letter V? Like that, to show the branches of the tree. Now for the leaves, we will make left curve. Yes, like this you have to make the left curve like a crown. Can you see how I am drawing it? Exactly the same way you have to draw it. And do you know, children, the top of the tree is known as the crown of the tree. So this is how you are going to draw the tree. And now we are going to use brown crayon to color the trunk of the tree. Can you see how I am shading the color? Exactly the same way you have to do it. And always remember, your color must not go out of your drawing. So like this you have to shade the color and you have to color the entire trunk. As you can see, I finished coloring the trunk of the tree. Now we are going to make the leaves of the tree. So for this we have to use some Fevicol. So exactly the same way you have to put the Fevicol. Can you see how I am doing it? Like this way you have to put the Fevicol so that we can paste the green colored paper. So now we are done putting the Fevicol. Now we will take some green colored paper and we are going to tear it into small pieces like this. Can you see how I am doing it? And you have to paste it. Now here you can see I have already finished tearing some paper, green colored paper, and I have kept it in a bowl. You can do it exactly in the same way so that it's easier for you to paste the paper. So what are we doing, children, here? We are tearing and pasting the green colored paper to show the leaves of the tree. Alright. Now as you can see, I almost finished pasting the green paper to show the leaves of the tree. So now we are going to take some red bindis. Yes, and we are going to put it on the tree to show as if it's an apple tree. Alright children, you can use as many bindis you can. See how I am doing it? Exactly the same way you have to do it. Now the next thing is we have to make some grass. Now we are going to use the bottom part of the page to show the grass. So we are going to require some Fevicol again. So we will put the Fevicol in a zigzag way. Yes, can you see how I am doing it? Exactly the same way you will do it. And again, children, we are going to require some green colored paper. Now here we are going to tear the page into thin strips of paper. Can you see? Yes, like this, long thin strip to show the grass. So exactly the same way you will do it. Alright children, can you see how I am doing it? Yes, like that you are going to do it. As you can see, children, I have finished pasting the thin strip to show the grass. So this is how you are going to do it exactly the way I have done it. Alright. I hope, children, you have enjoyed this and you're going to try it at home. So bye for now and take care of yourself.